Hey guys, the Minimalism series is back! It took me forever because I was abroad, but now we can get to that shit again. The last time we talked about different ways of decluttering, and now is the big question, what to do with all of that stuff after you've decluttered it? Can you shut the fuck up? It is not the point of minimalism to just get rid of every single thing. There are different ways like donating, gifting it to friends, upcycling and selling. But in this video I just want to focus merely on selling it. The most common platform and also probably the best to sell things is eBay. There are some key points that you should watch out for when submitting a new product to eBay. The two most important things for presentation are the images and the titles. It's basically the first two things that you see when browsing through the website. For the titles, it's really important that you cover a lot of search engine keywords. You also need very aesthetical images showing different perspectives and also the issues on the items in case there are any. Descriptions should contain keywords as well. So just put everything in there like size, color, pattern, where you got it, for how much you got it maybe, and so on and so forth. For setting prices, I would always recommend to take a fixed price and not the auction. You can never assure for what kind of price you sell something if you use the auction, because sometimes you get really messed up prices and you're giving out stuff for less the value. The best advice for orienting your own prices is to just check the already sold items. Search for your product or the ones that at least resemble your product and check how they are priced. Like I said, click on the category of sold items because you want to see the ones that actually got bought by people. So then I would always position myself in the medium or high price range because people can always still make price offers. So if they want it for lower and you want to get rid of it, then you can still do that. So for the shipping options and prices, it is recommended that you use free shipping and annex the price of the shipping into the actual price of the product, because then people feel more likely to buy because they are like, oh, it's free shipping, yeah, so no biggie, let's do this. So those are the key points of selling stuff on eBay, but the main factor for yourself is that you have fucking patience. On eBay you usually get the best prices, and for myself I earn like about 100 to 200 euros a month with that. Of course it also depends on the items because clothes are not that likely to sell like video games and stuff like that. But I would always give it a try because if you want to get rid of your stuff and you also want to get back some money and use it for other things, then go for it. Of course it is more effort than just donating it or gifting it to someone, but if you have the time and you want to take the effort to get something out of it, then go for it. This is what I do pretty much all the time. Just be considerate and consistent with your customers and then there won't be any problem. This is my advice for putting stuff on eBay. If you have some more, then put them in the comments down below. Thanks for sticking through, and I hope you also check out some of my other videos and my social media channels. So I'll definitely see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye!